In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Richmond Park Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Richmond Park Prep. Bible knowledge, what was another name for Mount Horeb, where Moses received the 10 commandments from God?
Mount Sinai. Mount Sinai.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Catherine Hall, on which mountain did Moses die? Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Mount Sinai. Mount Gilboa.
Incorrect. Mount Nebo. Jamaican Affairs, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Maurice Guy.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Jamaican Affairs, a visual question, Catherine Hall. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you. Fitz Jackson. Fitz Jackson.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Science, Richmond Park. What type of friction takes place when a solid object moves through liquid?
Friction takes place when a solid object moves through liquid. Fluid friction.
Correct. Science, Catherine Hall. What type of friction takes place when two solid objects rub against each other?
Kinetic friction.
Incorrect. Sliding friction. Television, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this actress. This actor.
Andre Williams. Andre Williams.
Incorrect. Finn Wolfhard. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor. That's for you, Catherine Hall. This actress. Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you. Andrea Williams. Andrea Williams.
Incorrect. Jada Pinkett Smith. English language, form a noun from the verb to describe.
Description. Description.
Or descriptive, that's correct. English language, Catherine Hall, form a noun from the verb to include.
Inclusion. Inclusion.
Correct. Sports, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johan Blake.
Incorrect. Rashawn Clark, Jamaican athlete. Catherine Hall. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Andre Williams. Andre Williams.
Incorrect. Jaheel Hyde, Jamaican athlete. Richmond Park, general knowledge. Which United Nations body uses the abbreviation FAO?
FAO. United Nations body. Federal authorization.
Incorrect. Would you like to try Catherine Hall?
What's the word?
No, thank you.
The Food and Agricultural Organization, general knowledge, Catherine Hall. Which United Nations body uses the abbreviation WHO? Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you.
Well,
World Health Organization.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Catherine Hall Primary on 1 and Richmond Park Prep on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. While you are studying or writing, turn off your phone's ringtones and vibrations and put it in a place where you won't be tempted to answer calls and messages. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.